a while since we've had a video. We're super busy here at the shop. I don't know what's going on, but I guess COVID is not going to affect us at all. We were worried about it when it first hit originally. We slowed down a teeny bit, but we kept going away, or kept plugging away, and now we are just jamming with jobs here. So here's the newest project, along with a million other projects. 80 Chev pickup just came in. So we're doing all the body and paint, fixing all the rust on it, new cab corners, new rockers, but other than that, this thing is solid. New floor on the driver's side, but all the body supports and everything are solid. So this came in. Obviously we still got to take a lot more off it, doors, everything, but it's in here. So we got that going on there. We got, here's the box for it right here. Now the box is garbage. I'm going to show you what I mean by garbage. If you see how the box is completely rotten across the bottom, it's rotten all the way up in there. Can it be fixed? Sure, you can fix it. You can fix anything. But why would you bother when you can buy that panel new? Now, some people though would want you to fix it. This guy luckily is like, no, just buy a new panel. So that we will do. So we'll do that. So fenders have been blasted. They got a couple little holes, but they're pretty good. So the box, I'm going to strip the box right down and get rid of it now. Bruce is working away in here on the 58 Chev pickup. That's the pizza oven truck, finishing it up. Chris is working away on it. He's trying to get it all wired. There we go. Tilt column, some railwood swing out pedals. You know, he's working on the wiring. He's making seat brackets now for modern seats. Right there. What else is going on here? Mike's working away on the tailgate for this new 80 Chev pickup out here. He's custom making it. He's cut a hole out there. That's the new opening. Not right. So, if you notice, the Pro Street truck, the box is here. The truck itself is gone. The customer took it home for now, and he is going to be working on the cab. He's building a waterfall console inside of it. So he's got that. In the background, we got a Mustang here. This is Gord at Kid Equipment. Brought it in for Chris to give it the once over, check it out, because he's taking it away. He's going up to a Soyuz, going to do some cruising. So Chris went over the car, checked it all over, made sure everything was good and tight. She's ready to go. We've worked on this car before. I'm sure you've seen it in past videos. Oh, here's another one of Gord's cars. A Cobra. It's a kit car, of course. And it's based on a 65 model. So it's got a 428, and oh, I don't know if I can lift this up or not right now for you. There we go. So Gord brought us in because it's got a problem with the radiator. The radiator had a leak. Valve cover gaskets were leaking a bit. Wanted an oil change, stuff like that. So if you want to hear this thing run, just go to my Facebook page or my Instagram. I posted some pictures of it running. It's definitely, it sounds good, trust me. And then of course you remember the Camaro. We're working away on that slowly here and there. This is not a panic, so I haven't done much to it right now at the moment. But I did. I'm fitting the doors right now. The customer brought me. Even though there's nothing here, like I said, you got to fit it all. And I did end up replacing the floor pan in this side. So if you remember, there's some other videos about this car. It was all gone. You remember I showed you videos on when I was redoing the back floor pans. So this floor pan's been done. The other side is mint. It didn't need anything. So he's got good solid floor pans now, so at least that's done. And the doors are actually lining up quite nicely. They're going on like they should. So it's just a matter of working on this back half here. Now, if you also have been paying attention to my Instagram and stuff like that, you'd see that I've been working up at a cemetery. We've been going to a cemetery painting plots up there. Don't normally do that, but it's a friend of mine, need the hands, so we took it on. So Sean's in here working away, sanding all these cemetery things. The headstone pieces. He's got a stack here to go. He's got, you see, they're stacked up everywhere. So we sand them, prime them, prep them, paint them, and then the nameplate goes on where the screws are. So that's what's going on there. Right? It's always a good time in the cemetery?
Yes, I love the cemetery.
Sean and I are just familiarizing ourselves with the cemetery so we're prepared when we have to go up there and stay there, if you know what I mean. Here's the new addition I built on, you guys haven't seen. Now, no, it hasn't got the roof on it yet. That's coming in 2 weeks. Only do it a little bit at a time. This is a good sized little area. Store some more cars under here because we're so busy. So Here's some parts and pieces, you know, the CUDA fenders. We've got another one of these 71, 72 Chevy pickups kicking around here in parts and pieces. It's coming. I don't know what's going on. I've got more pickup trucks on the go right now than I can imagine. I think we got 5 or 6 on the go. We got a bunch of shit just coming in here like you wouldn't believe. So this is kind of a scattered video. It's all over the map, but it just goes to show you why you haven't had a video lately, because we've been so busy. So that is what is happening here today. Everybody's plugging away on something. So I'm going to put this camera down. I'm going to get this box taken apart, and I'm going to say to you right now, it's always a good time at all time, and we'll see you next time.